Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down a method, alphabetical if you want lookup speed, topical for themes, numerical for chronology. Once decided, gather a pen, tabs, ruler, and either a notebook or a simple spreadsheet. Create a template with columns for term, page reference, short note, and tags so entries stay uniform. Begin indexing immediately. Scan recent pages, extract 10-15 key terms, and record them in your template. This gets you working and prevents backlog. Once you have entries, focus on structure. Assign consistent tags and simple prefixes so related notes link when searched. Use subentries and page ranges. Write 4245 or 4242A so clusters stay together. Number sections if you expect expansion. That prevents messy renaming later. Decide whether to use digital keywords for full text search or analog color coding for quick glance retrieval, and apply the chosen system across entries to keep everything interoperable. Finish by reviewing and consolidating duplicates, adding cross-references and a one-page table of contents for quick orientation. Once done, back up any digital index and photograph key analog pages so you have a recovery copy. Make it habitual. Update the index weekly or after major additions. If entries become messy, reindex the trouble section. Collapse overlapping terms, standardize tags, and use a color tag to visually sort problem items so retrieval is quick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.